Okay, this what I learned from the street. Handle your beat, yeah. You play with keys, sleep with your heat. You're a role model, your partner gotta be neat. All hoes ain't sweet, they miss it. Everything happen for a reason, but they all blessings. If you're stressing, pick your head up. Nigga, get your bread up. Nigga, if you're scared, niggas get their head bust. I make you catch a heart attack. They started hatch. Just left downtown, I got my 40 back. A situation starter, nigga, I'm never smiling. Beast mode until they take me, got that from Ivy. Any nigga who watch you up and down want something you got. Why my enemies envy me, got that from Pop. If I flop, then it's back to selling blocks. Back to telling niggas they can't hustle in my spot. Off the top, my daddy raised me to hate a cop. So all my motherfucking life, I hated cops. Cam Ricks told me niggas change when you get them blocked. Nigga told me when I ride, better keep it cocked.